Interlaken. A land tucked between two crystal-clear lakes and surrounded by three majestic alpine peaks of the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. As the name suggests, Interlaken means between lakes, perfectly illustrating its prime location between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. A staple of every Swiss travel itinerary and the adventure capital of Europe, Interlaken also serves as the most preferred starting point for countless journeys and day trips. Whether you're hiking on one of the many beautiful trails here, kayaking on its tranquil lakes, gliding through the sky on a paraglider, or simply sipping a cup of coffee with the Alps as your backdrop, Interlaken promises an unforgettable experience. Let's kick off our exploration with the best activities you can try out when you visit here. For starters, consider heading to one of the two lakes of Interlaken to enjoy the beauty of this lakeside town. Each lake has its own distinct personality. Lake Thun is known for offering views of medieval castles, while Lake Brienz dazzles with its turquoise waters. Take a relaxing cruise across Lake Thun or Lake Brienz, where the calm waters with mountain vistas will soothe your soul. These lakes also offer water sports like kayaking, wakeboarding, and high-speed jet boat rides. For those who love to explore on foot, Interlaken's hiking trails cater to all fitness levels. For a leisurely stroll, explore the lakeside trails that offer tranquility and scenic views. More adventurous hikers can tackle the Hardergrat Trail or hike up to the Harder Kulm for panoramic vistas. Don't miss the Vertical Rush Adventure Park at Seal Park, a uniquely thrilling experience set within a forest with ropeways and harnesses. People of all ages and endurance levels can try their hand at adventure enthusiasts can take a walk on the wild side with the Grindelwald First Cliff Walk, an adrenaline-pumping walkway that hugs the cliffs. Or, if you're brave enough, leap off a mountain with the Stockhorn bungee jump, one of the most scenic jumps in the world. If you're looking to test your nerves, consider skydiving or paragliding over the beautiful landscapes of Interlaken. With so much to offer, Interlaken ensures you'll never run out of things to do. But Interlaken is also famous for being a base location for many exciting day trips. Let's give you a roundup of the many places you can visit from here. Interlaken serves as a gateway to some of Switzerland's most iconic destinations. People often visit places like Jungfrau, Harder Kulm, Zermatt, Lauterbrunnen, and Mürren. Interlaken is ideally situated close enough to most of these charming destinations. Plus, Interlaken is well connected by trains too. The scenic train rides from Interlaken are an experience in themselves. Whether it's the vintage Belle Epoque Golden Pass line to Montreux or the panoramic Glacier Express to Zermatt, these journeys will take you through some of Switzerland's most breathtaking scenery. From modern trains with panoramic windows to trains with vintage interiors, old-style cog trains and funiculars, you can find every kind of classic Swiss railway experience here. No wonder, then, that most people prefer to choose Interlaken as the base and then take any of Switzerland's many scenic train rides from here. One of the most preferred day trip destinations from Interlaken is Harder Kulm. If you are visiting Interlaken, then a day trip to this destination is a must. A short funicular rail trip from Interlaken takes you there. At the Harder Kulm viewpoint, you'll be rewarded with stunning vistas of the town, lakes, and surrounding Alps. Don't forget to capture a photo on the Two Lakes Bridge here. The rustic mountain village of Grindelwald is a gateway to the Jungfrau region. There are several trains from the Interlaken Ost station that will take you to Grindelwald. We assure you, the journey is breathtakingly beautiful with jaw-dropping views at every turn. Once here, you can visit the First Cliff Walk or ride the Grindelwald First Gondola for even more stunning aerial views. One of the most popular day trips from Interlaken is a train trip to Jungfraujoch, the highest railway station in Europe. At Jungfraujoch, you can explore an ice palace, take in panoramic views from the famous Sphinx Observatory, and even enjoy skiing and snowboarding year-round. It's a dream destination for any winter sports enthusiast. You can visit the charming villages of Lauterbrunnen and Mürren from Interlaken by road or by train. Lauterbrunnen is known for its dramatic cliffs, its cascading waterfalls, and the hiking paths up its green valleys. From here, take a cable car up to Mürren, yet another rustic alpine village at the foot of Schilthorn Mountain. This place offers some exciting themed walks, such as the North Face Trail and the Flower Panorama Trail. If you're up for a road trip, drive across the Furka Pass, a high mountain pass with winding roads and stunning alpine views. Make sure to stop by the famous Belvedere Hotel. This hotel is not just famous for its stunning Instagram-worthy location, it is also famous for having been the background for a scene in the famous Bond movie, Goldfinger. After all the exciting activities and the beautiful day trips, you can head to Interlaken's town center, bustling with markets, shops, and restaurants that offer a taste of local life. Wander through these markets, browse the shops for Swiss souvenirs, and sample local delicacies at the restaurants. Let's close this video with a basic rundown on when you should visit Interlaken to make the most of your trip. It is common for tourists to visit Interlaken during the summer months, from June to August. During these months, you'll experience Interlaken at its most vibrant. Paragliders dot the sky, boats glide across the lakes, and the trails teem with hikers. However, this is also the most crowded time of the year, so book your accommodations early. If you prefer a quieter visit at a time when there will be fewer tourists around, consider coming during the shoulder seasons of spring and autumn. Spring brings blooming flowers and mild temperatures, and autumn paints the region in warm hues of gold and red. Both seasons provide a stunning backdrop for scenic train rides and leisurely walks. Interlaken has the least number of visitors in the winter months when the landscape is covered in snow. During this time, it becomes a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. As you can see, no matter what the season, Interlaken is always ready to offer something special. Choose your travel dates according to the experiences you plan for. With that, we wrap up our journey through Interlaken. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your own visit to this remarkable town. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Interlaken. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful for your travel planning, please give us a like and share it with fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips to make the most of your adventures around the world. We'll be back soon with more exciting destinations for you to explore.